It's another wonderful day in Truckopolis, and the Trucks are more excited than ever because today their favorite band, the GiggleBellies, is releasing a new song. They're so excited, in fact, that Boom Boom doesn't notice he's about to run straight into a fruit stand.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Apples are red, carrots orange, lemons are yellow, string beans are green, blueberries are blue, eggplants are indigo, and violets are violet. Well, that's a flower, you know. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet are the colors of the rainbow. Colors are everywhere, you can see it. Colors were made for you and me. Roses are red, pumpkins orange, the sun is yellow, the grass is green, the sky is blue, eggplants are indigo, and violets are violet. Well, that's a flower, you know. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet are the colors of the rainbow. Colors are everywhere, you can see it. Colors were made for you and me. Cherries are red, yams are orange, corn is yellow, peas are green, blue jays are blue, eggplants are indigo, and violets are violet. Well, that's a flower, you know. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet are the colors of the rainbow. Now sing it! Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet are the colors of the rainbow. Again! Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet are the colors of the rainbow. And violet are the colors of the rainbow. Everywhere you look, everywhere you see, colors make the world a beautiful place to be.
Let's meet today's racers. Red, orange, yellow, green,
Awesome!
blue, purple, pink. All right then, Monster Trucks, time to start your engines and get ready to race. And 3, 2, 1, go! They're off to a flying start. These trucks must be late for playtime. They're already at record speed. And over the first jump, what color truck is that? Red! Which color is next? Yellow! And which color truck is next across the jump? Green! That was flipping excellent!
Yeah! Woohoo!
Whoa! He caught the wheelie!
Yes!
I just about fell off my chair! Which color truck is that? Orange!
Yahoo!
Yeah!
Yippee!
Whoa! The boys better watch out!
Yeah!
Which color is that? Pink!
Yes! Wahoo! Woohoo! Yippee!
It's incredible! They're really fighting for the lead!
Yeah!
Which color truck is this now? is this speedy truck? Blue! Look at him showing off!
Yay!
They're almost at the finish line. Hold on to your hats, folks. This one's going down in the history books.
Whoa!
As they cross the finish line, let's give these brilliant trucks a big cheer. Shout out their colors to let them know how awesome they are. Here we go. Blue.
Yippee!
Yellow. Red.
Awesome!
Purple.
Yeah!
Orange.
Yay!
Pink.
Wahoo!
Green. Massive congratulations to all our winners. And sitting pretty in first place is Blue.
Yay!
Coming up just a shade behind in second, Yellow. Our talented third place is going to Red. These wonderful trucks are also super interesting for a different reason.
Yeah!
Did you know that they are the primary colors?
Oh!
That's right! The primary colors are red, yellow, and blue. Every other color that you can possibly think of is made by mixing these three primary colors. Isn't that amazing?
Yeah!
Come meet my friends. You'll be glad to know. Monster trucks like to learn, jump, and shout. They'll show you colors as they drive about.
Yeah!
So look around, friends, and you'll quickly see, yeah, colors are everywhere. I think you'll agree. Blue is the color of our great big sky.
Yippee!
Purple balloons for a party nearby.
Yeah!
Green is the grass.
Yippee!
Yellow is the moon. Tomatoes are red. Pink flowers in June. Look at the orange and brown carousel. White snow falls and covers the hills.
Yeah!
Black is the night. It gets hard to see. Perfect for rest and getting some sleep. The trucks want to take a colorful spin. Their engines have started. It's time to begin. They'll crush each color, one by one. Practice makes perfect.
Yeah!
So come join the fun. The blue truck is first and pounces on top. Purple is next, but makes a big plop. The green truck smashes all his letters down.
Yeah!
The yellow one flattens them right to the ground. Red goes sideways, but lands on her toes.
Yes!
The orange truck flips right onto his nose.
Oops!
Pink crushes perfect. She's so very proud.
Yeah!
Brown lands with a thump and then takes a bow.
Ta-da!
The white truck follows, squishing and squashing. The black truck goes last, crushing and smashing.
Wahoo!
The trucks love colors and performing for you.
Great job!
So they'll do it again, all the way through. The blue truck is first and pounces on top. Purple is next, but makes a big plop. The green truck smashes all his letters down. The yellow one flattens them right to the ground. Red goes sideways, but lands on her toes. The orange truck flips right onto his nose. Pink crushes perfect. She's so very proud. Brown lands with a thump and then takes a bow. The white truck follows, squishing and squashing. The black truck goes last, crushing and smashing. Practice makes perfect, as you will soon see. Yeah, let's watch them perform at great record speed. Blue pounds the letters, squishing each one. Purple is next and won't stop till he's done. The green truck always knows just what to do. The yellow one smashes them 2 by 2. Red truck has got her squashing just right. The orange truck pounces with all of his might. Pink mastered crushing, she's having a blast. Brown goes backwards when she goes past. White takes his turn, and there's one more to go. Black hits each letter and knocks them down low. So, let's review the colors, beginning with blue. Purple, green, yellow, red, and orange too. Now, don't forget pink, brown, white, and black. I think you have got it. It's time to relax. The monster trucks have finished their colorful show. You have learned 10 colors. Yes, 10 in a row. Practice makes perfect, as you already know. Never give up, and you'll be the star of the show.
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O-E-O. And on his farm he had a cow named Kissy Moo, E-I-E-I-O-E-O. With a moo-moo here and a moo-moo there, here a moo, there a moo, everywhere Kissy Moos. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O-E-O. Come on, let's clap and dance and have some fun. E-I-E-I-O-E-O. Everybody clap, dance, and sing along. All right, that's it. E-I-E-I-O-E-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O-E-O. And on his farm he had a duck named Quacka, E-I-E-I-O-E-O. With a quack quack here and a quack quack there, here a quack, there a quack, everywhere quack a quacks. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O-E-O. Come on, let's clap and dance and have some fun. Everybody clap, dance, and sing along. E-I-E-I-O-E-O. And on his farm he had a sheep named Betty, E-I-E-I-O-E-O. With a ba-ba here and a ba-ba there, here a ba, there a ba, everywhere Betty buys. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O-E-O. Come on, let's clap, dance, and have some fun. E-I-E-I-O-E-O. Everybody clap, dance, and sing along. And on his farm he had a pig named Pickles, E-I-E-I-O-E-O. With an oink oink here and an oink oink there, here an oink, there an oink, everywhere Pickles oinks. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O-E-O. Come on, let's clap, dance, and have some fun. E-I-E-I-O-E-O. Everybody clap, dance, and sing along. E-I-E-I-O-E-O. And on his farm he had a horse named Bucky, E-I-E-I-O-E-O. With a neigh-neigh here and a neigh-neigh there, here a neigh, there a neigh, everywhere Bucky neighs. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O-E-O. Come on, let's clap, dance, and sing along. E-I-E-I-O-E-O. And on his farm he had a frog named Fribbits. E-I-E-I-O-E-O. With a fribbit ribbit here and a fribbit ribbit there. Here a ribbit, there a ribbit, everywhere fribbit ribbits. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O-E-O. With a moo moo here and a quack quack there. Quack quack and an oink oink here and a ba ba there. And a neigh neigh here and a ribbit ribbit there. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O-E-O.